In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set, track, and achieve goals with Asana AI. First, let's ensure you have the right tools ready. You'll need an advanced or enterprise plan because these come with AI features. If you're not sure about your plan, a quick check with your admin can confirm this. Once that's done, make sure Asana Intelligence is enabled in your workspace to get started with AI-powered features. Now, let's dive into using smart status updates. Navigate to your project and find the status updates section. Here, you'll see an option to generate with AI. This feature automatically drafts an update by pulling in useful data such as your project's progress percentage, any open questions, as well as potential blockers and risks. Once it generates this draft, take a moment to make any necessary edits to fit your specific needs. Once you're satisfied, publish the update for your team to keep everyone in the loop. Next, let's explore how to get smart answers. In your project view, you'll find the Ask AI option. You can type questions like what tasks are overdue or what's blocking this sprint, and the AI will scan through your project to give you instant answers, helping you to stay informed and make data-backed decisions swiftly. Creating smart goals is another fantastic feature that Asana AI offers. When you're ready to set new objectives, head to the Goals section and click on New Goal. This is where AI can really lend a hand by suggesting a structure for your goal along with metrics to track your progress. It even checks for any duplicates, ensuring your goals are unique and focused. When you're initiating a new project, consider using the AI Project Setup. This feature is designed to offer suggestions for task templates, project phases, and dependencies, streamlining the planning process. If you want a quick overview of your ongoing work, the Summarize option provides you with a snapshot, saying things like 5 tasks done, 3 at risk, keeping your team up to speed. For those of you interested in automating tasks, the AI Studio is where you'll want to be. Accessible via the Tools menu, this feature allows you to set workflows. Imagine being able to assign tasks labeled bug to the development team with a due date automatically. Or when a document is uploaded, AI steps in to generate summaries and checklists, all synchronized to save you time and effort. Lastly, for an even more comprehensive use of AI, consider connecting it to files and links. You can attach documents from Google Drive, OneDrive, or SharePoint and add web links directly in tasks. The AI can read, summarize, or extract information directly from these attachments, making sure you have every piece of data at your fingertips when you need it. By integrating these AI features into your workflow, you're setting yourself and your team up for efficient, informed, and goal-oriented success.